You'd be surprised by how powerful avocado really is. If getting out of bed or walking feels like a challenge, this natural method could change everything. Doctors often recommend avocado for its impressive health benefits. While the fruit is beneficial, the seed holds even greater value. The flesh is rich in nutrients, and seed actually holds more than 70% of the fruit's antioxidants. Even supports collagen production, making it ideal for joint care. Don't toss the seed away. When the avocado is ripe, open it up and peel off the seed's skin. Then chop it into small pieces. Just be careful if it's firm. Put the pieces into a jar and cover them with high-proof alcohol or clear spirits. After 24 hours, your homemade remedy is ready. Soak a cotton pad in the liquid and apply it to sore joints or muscles. Use it before bed on your knees, wrists, or shoulders. And with regular use, pain may become a thing of the past. This simple 2-ingredient remedy could be your answer to joint relief without costly medications.